Total sale is 80, cash sale is 50, difference is 30. Total amount to be received is 39,000 money to be received here. Your opening stock 15,000, opening debtor 9,000, your opening cash 400, opening furniture 1,200. Add the figure. Opening stock on 1/4/2015, end on 31/3/2016. So you have to calculate the stock reserve. One on opening stock, one goods sent to branch, one goods returned by the branch, one closing stock. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to handle Financial Accounting 1, first semester BCom. It goes branch account, 5th session. We already discussed the 4th problem. Now we are going to discuss the 5th problem. So the most important point here, so we are going to know that there is a profit in the opening stock, profit in the closing stock, goods sent to branch has got a profit, and goods returned by the branch has got a profit. You have to bifurcate. That's all. Then second point, you have to make the working note. One for the closing value of the furniture, one for the debtor, one for the petty cash. Which are the three? One for the debtor, one for the furniture, one for the petty cash is considered. Then we have to calculate the stock reserve, how much profit have been included. So while you are doing the problem, I will explain this point once again. We will go to problem now. See, the Bangalore head office of Shining Shoe Company invoice goods to its Madras branch at 20% profit on sale. This word is important. 20% profit on sale. Prepare branch account. Opening stock on 1/4/2015, end on 31/3/2016. Here, opening stock is 15,000. Opening, it will come on the debit side of the branch account. Opening debtor, debit side. Opening cash, debit side. Opening furniture, debit side. Goods sent to branch, debit side. IP means invoice price, which includes the profit. Goods returned by the branch on the credit side. Goods received from debtor. This is called sales return. This is nothing but sales return. Cash received from debtor customer. This will come in the debtor account and the branch account credit side. Then cash sale, it will come in the branch account credit side. Total sales is 80 lakh. Out of the cash sale is 50 lakh, means the balance 30,000 is called the credit sale. What is it? Total sale is 80 lakh. 50,000 is the cash sale, means difference 30,000 is called the credit sale. 80 minus 30 difference. Discount allowed. Debtor account. Petty expense paid by the branch. This is for calculation. And the closing stock is 14,000. Have you got the furniture value? Opening furniture is 1,200. Here, closing stock is there. Here, assume that depreciation on furniture at 10%. Depreciation on furniture at 10%. Okay, we'll go with the problem now. Here the important is 20% profit on sale. I will show you working note. Working note 1, 20% profit on sale. Let sale price is equal to 100. Profit is equal to 20. What is the difference? Is called 80 cost price. So 20% on what? Selling price. Here, what's your cost price? 20%. 80 rupees. 100 is the selling price. 20 is the profit. 80 is the cost price. Therefore, 20 by 80 into 100. 24 is 25%. Therefore, selling price or invoice price, selling price or invoice price is equal to 100 plus 25 is 125. So how it is now? 20. So 25 by 125, 1 over 5, 1 over 5 or 125 is 25 rupees. Same will come, 1 by 5. So you have to calculate the stock reserve. This is nothing but now 25 by 125. Nothing but 1 over 5. So 5 is the invoice price, 1 is the profit, 4 is the cost price. 5 is equal to 100, 1 minus 4 is equal to cost price. We'll move on. Calculation of stock reserve. In the bracket, it is also called loading. So we have to calculate 1 on opening stock, 1 on closing stock, 1 goods sent to branch, 1 goods returned by the branch. Number 1, on opening stock. See that what's the opening stock is there? What's your opening stock? 15,000. 15,000 into 1 over 5. That is 3,000. So this is a profit. Number 2, on goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch. That is under IP, invoice price. The profit should be removed here. What's the value? Goods sent to branch, 80,000. 80,000 into 1 over 5. 5 ones are 5 6, 16,000. That is second one. Number 3, goods returned by branch. Goods returned by branch. Goods returned by branch. How much goods returned by branch? Goods returned by branch is 1,000. 1,000 into 1 over 5. That is 2. 5 2s are 10, 200. Number 4, on closing stock. What's the value of the closing stock here? Your closing stock is 14,000. 14,000 into 1 over 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 8s are 40. 2,800. Which includes the profit. So you calculate 1 on opening stock, 1 on goods sent to branch, 1 goods returned by the branch, 1 closing stock we have calculated. So this is over. Regarding the closing petty cash, come back here. What's your opening? So what's your opening cash? 400 is there. Okay. Then how much receipt from the debtor? See that? Cash sale. Your opening cash is 400. Goods sent to bank, goods returned by bank, cash receipt from the debtor. Cash receipt from debtor is there. Goods returned to branch is there. Cash sale total discount. Petty expense by the branch is 280. What's the opening value? Closing petty cash. Closing petty cash. What's your opening cash? Opening cash 400. Okay. Any amount received from the head office, cash received from the debtor, cash sale total discount allowed, closing stock. No amount has been really. Petty expense paid by the branch minus expenses paid 280. Deduct 0. This is 2. 120. Closing balance. Then you got an opening debtor, how much? 9,000. Find out the closing debtor. Closing furniture. Here you go to closing furniture. Closing. Underline. Opening value. What's the opening value of the furniture? Opening value of furniture 1,200 minus depreciation. at 10%. This is 120. 1200, 120, 0. This is 8. 1080. Closing. You find out the petty cash over debtor. Now, debtors account. To find out the closing debtor. Particulars. Rupees. Particulars. Rupees. See that. What's your opening debtor? See that. Opening debtor. Opening. $9,000. Okay. Credit sales. Okay. What's your total sales? Your total sale is 80,000. Your cash sale is 50,000. 80,000 is the total sale. Cash sale is 50,000. Remaining 30,000 is the credit sale. So total money to be received is, total sale is 80, cash sale is 50, difference is 30. Total amount to be received is 39,000 money to be received here. What's your opening debtor? 9,000 we have to receive. Another credit sale, we have to receive 30,000. Total money to be received is 39,000. Okay. How much cash received from debtor or customer? See that here. Cash received from debtor, how much is there? 30,000. Cash received. 30,000 received from our customer. Actually, you have to receive 39,000. How much already received? 30,000. Balance 9,000 to be received. Have you got the bad debt? See that. Discount allowed. Discount allowed is there. Any bad debt? Opening cash. Furniture. Goods sent to branch over. Goods returned by branch over. Goods received from debtor. Sales return. Sales return. 480. Cash received. Goods received from debtor is 480. Then discount allowed 300. Discount allowed. 400. Any bad debt? Discount allowed 300. It is 300. Any bad debt? See that any bad debt is there? Total sale. Discount allowed is 300. Petty expense over. Division at 10%. Okay. Then see that. What is the total amount to receive? 39,000. 39,000. Out of that 30,000 received, the balance is 9,000. We have sales goods is written 480 and 780 you have to deduct out of 9,000. Okay. 30 cancel here. 8,220. 0, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 8, 9, 3. 8,220. By balance carried down. What is 8,220? I will repeat once again. 9,000 minus 480 minus 300. 9,000 minus 480 minus 300. 8,220. So you calculate the closing here. Closing furniture over. Closing debtor over. This is closing debtor. Now, you calculate the stock reserve. Everything is calculated. We'll put into format now. Here. To opening balance. To opening balance. Come here. First one. What's your opening stock? 15,000. Opening debtor 9,000. Stock 15,000. Debtors 9,000. Your opening stock is 15,000, opening debtor 9,000. This is 15, this is here. What's your opening cash? 400. Opening cash. 400. Opening furniture 1,200. Opening furniture. 1,200. I will explain. Your opening stock 15,000, opening debtor 9,000, your opening cash 400, opening furniture 1,200. Add the figure. 15 plus 9, 24,000 plus 400 plus 1,200. 25,600. 25,600. Goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch. See that. What's the value? Goods sent to branch. Invoice to branch. Here. Goods sent to branch. How much? 80,000. By goods returned by branch. Goods returned by branch. Goods sent to branch, how much? 80,000. Goods returned by the branch. How much? Goods returned by the branch, 1,000. Then by bank. What will come here? Cash sale and cash received from debtor. Number 1, cash sales. Your cash sale is 50,000. Number 2, cash received from debtor. I think it is 30,000. See the questions. Your cash sale is come back here, furniture. Your cash sale is 50,000. Discount allowed. Cash received from debtor is 30,000. Totally 80,000. Closing balance. Here, 1 opening stock, here closing stock. Closing. What's your closing stock? See the question. Closing stock 14,000. This over. Closing debtor. Closing debtor. See the problem. What's your closing debtor? You worked out now? Debtor account 8,220. 8,220. Then closing cash. Closing petty cash. Closing petty cash. Here. How much opening value? Furniture 1,080. How much you receive? 400. How much spent? 280. It is 120. 120. Closing furniture. Closing furniture. Opening value 1,200 division 1,080. 1,080. Add the figure. This is 14,000. I think you understand. Opening stock, closing stock. Opening debtor, closing debtor. Opening cash, closing petty cash. Opening furniture, closing furniture. 14,000 plus 8,220 plus 120 plus 1,080. 23,420. 23,420. All closing balance. Here the expense is not given. Here not goods sent to branch. Some expense would have been given, but as per the problem, they have not given any expense at all. See that? Cash sale, discount allowed, petty expense, that's all. He has not given any expenses at all. Okay. We'll go to here, stock reserves. here. Stock reserve on opening stock. Stock reserve. No. What's your opening stock? 15,000. 1 by 5 means 3,000. 1 by 5 of 15,000 is 3,000. Then stock reserve on goods into branch. Stock reserve on goods into branch. Stock reserve on goods into branch. See that? We worked out now. Stock reserve on goods into branch, 16,000. Then come back to debit side. Stock reserve on goods returned. This is the stock reserve on goods returned by the branch. How much goods returned? 1,000. 1 by 5 is 200. Then stock reserve on closing stock. Stock reserve on closing stock. What's your closing stock? 14,000. So here we already calculated 2,800. See that? 2,800. Okay. Now you have to make the difference. There is no expenses is given. So you have to make that now. This is rupees. We'll make the total. This is 1,000 plus 80,000 plus 23,420 plus 3,000 plus 16,000. 1,23,420. 1,23,420. 1,23,420. We check up once again. This is 1,000 plus 80,000 plus 23,420 plus 3,000 plus 16,000. 1,23,420. That is there. Now, debit side. So 1,23,420 minus, what is the first one? 25,600 minus 80,000 minus 200 minus 2,800. 2,800. That's all. 14,820. To general profit and loss account. I will explain. Here, your opening stock is 15,000, debtor is 9,000, opening cash is 400, opening furniture 1,200, totally 25,600. Goods sent to branch 80,000. Then come back. By goods returned by the branch 1,000. By bank, cash sale is 50,000. Cash received from debtor is 30, total 80,000. Closing balance, stock 14,000. Closing debtor, we have worked out 8,220. Closing petty cash is 120. Closing furniture 1,080. Stock reserve on opening stock. Stock reserve on goods sent to branch here. Then I will show the working note. What is the opening value? Furniture 1,200. Division at 10%, 120, 1,080. Your debtor account 39,000. After receipt 30,000. This is sales return. This is discount allowed 300. The balance is 8,220. Here, let the selling price is equal to 100. Profit is 20. It's 80. 20 by 80 is 25 rupees. 20 by 125 is 125. So you have to calculate the stock reserve. One on opening stock, one goods sent to branch, one goods returned by the branch, one closing stock, On opening of 15 into 1 by 5 is 3,000. Goods sent to branch 80,000 to 1 by 5 is 16,000. Goods returned by the branch 1,000 1 by 5 is 200. Closing stock 14,000 1 by 5 is 2,800. It has been put into, and you are put into a format here. Here 25,000. I told you, no, opening stock here, stock reserve on here. Goods sent to branch here, stock reserve here. Goods returned by the branch here, stock reserve here. Closing stock here, stock reserve you have to calculate. How you have to do? Opening stock, stock reserve. Goods sent to branch, stock reserve. Goods returned by the branch, stock reserve. Closing stock, stock reserve you have to calculate. We have done the same thing. Your profit arrived is 14,820 to general profit and loss account. This is the fifth problem we have solved. What you have to calculate? One stock reserve. Here the 20% profit on selling price. Your selling price is 100. So cost is 20, 100 minus 20 is 80. 20 by 80, 100 is 25 rupees. So 25, that is 100 plus 25. On 125 divided by 1 over 5 means 5 2s are 5, 5 5 means 25 rupees only. So we have calculated that now. So we have calculated percentage on this now, cost price. Here now cost plus 20% is only 20% on selling price. 100 minus 20 is 80, 20 by 80 into 100, 25 rupees is there. So we have to calculate one on debtor account, one is closing petty cash, one closing furniture, stock reserve you have to calculate, one on opening stock, one on closing stock, goods sent to branch, goods returned by the branch, and all should be put into a format. I have given the format. This is the fifth problem, and I have explained detailedly everything. So we have solved the 5 problem, all the problems in one and the same. We'll have one more problem next session, so that all the problem is one and the same. A tough problem you are going to work out in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.